For this video, we're going to use horizontal slices to set up a definite integral representing the area of the semicircle of radius 7. So here it is, and we're going to use horizontal slices. So let's go with green this time. So what that means is we're going to take a slice here at some height h0, okay, and it is going to have a width of w. Let's call that w, and this is going to be delta h, so we'll change in h, okay, and we're going to do that over the entire semicircle and add them up and give us a Riemann sum so we can express our area as an integral. So let's look at the area of one of these. So area, this little slice equals w times delta h, right? So we've got w and we've got h. We want to get w in terms of h. So go in red here. Let's get right here at the center of the circle, and we want to make a triangle here. Okay, there's my triangle. Now, I know this is a radius of the unit circle, so I know that's 7. I know this is my h0, right? I know this side is, what's that, 1/2 w, right? W over 2. So now we can use the Pythagorean Theorem and get get w in terms of h. So let's say, what do we have? h0 squared plus 1/4, 1/4 w squared equals 49. Okay, and so we can do all of our math there and get that w. Well, let's just work it all out. W equals w squared over 4 equals 49 minus h0 squared. Oops. Alright. And w squared, yeah. So w squared equals 4 times 49 minus h0 squared, and w equals 2 times the square root of 49 minus h0 squared. Okay? And so we can go back here to our area of the slice. So we have that the area of our slice now equals w delta h, but found down here that w is going to be 2 times the square root of 49 minus h0 squared delta h. Okay, so now that gives me the area of this slice here. And so again, think about, we would do this everywhere for every h as h runs from 0 to 7. Okay, and then we'd add them all up, and that would give us our Riemann sum, and that's our integral. So we get that the area of this semicircle is going to be the integral from 0 to 7 of 2 times the square root 49 minus h dh, or minus h squared. Okay, and this is a fun little integral. I'm not going to work through it. We'll pull it up on our calculator and get it. But that would require us to use our how do we do that with our trig substitution? So let's make sure we can do these integrals on our calculator. Let's say 2 times and let me go to math. Where's it at? Fun int. There we go. Oops. We are 2 times math. We'll go up this way. There we go. Number 9. Fun int. And I'm integrating 49 minus x squared, all raised to the 1/2. Alright. Comma, you tell it your variable, x. And then comma, you tell it where it's going from 0 to 7. 0 to 7. Let's see what this gives us. 76.969. So that's going to be about 76.969, and it tells us here we're in centimeters, so it'll be square centimeters. Okay, and so let's check that answer. We know this is we know the area of the circle is pi r squared, so the area of my semicircle would be 1/2 pi times r squared. My r is radius is 7, so times 49. Okay, so let's make sure that this agrees with what we already know. So we got 0.5 times second pi times 49. Alright, cross your fingers. Okay, good. So that is going to conclude this video. And there's our final answer for finding the area of this semicircle using calculus, breaking it down into small little rectangles. Okay? Thank you.